Now to this month's tragedy in the city of Alameda, where prosecutors say Shane Killian shot and killed his own family. Killian went before a judge today but did not enter a plea, and tonight loved ones of the family are demanding justice. KTVU's Joey Horta live tonight in the newsroom with more on the story. Joey?
Well, Mike, loved ones of the victims are devastated. They have no idea why he would have done what he's accused of, and they're calling on the DA to make sure he is prosecuted to the max. More than a dozen devastated family members of the July 10th mass murder in this Alameda home gather outside the Alameda County Courthouse in Oakland on Monday to console one another after seeing the accused killer for the first time.
I feel very disgusted being on the other side and seeing him with no face expression.
54-year-old Shane Killian stood silently in court without looking at spectators.
It's really painful for the family with this, and seeing him there standing with no sympathy at all. Like, what kind of heart is that?
The Alameda County District Attorney's Office says Killian shot and killed his wife, 36-year-old Brenda Morales, the couple's two sons, 6-year-old William and 1-year-old Wesley. Killian is also accused of killing his mother-in-law, 56-year-old Marta Morales, and father-in-law, 70-year-old Miguel Carcamo.
He was the most loving, caring person.
Karen Diaz and her cousin Esmeralda Juarez are nieces of Carcamo.
His second name was Angel. He was an angel.
The cousins say they never had any communication with Killian and had no knowledge of any history of violence. The DA did not add a special circumstance of multiple murders, which would prevent Killian from making parole, frustrating the family.
I'm speechless. It hurts.
The family feels it's unfair that the arraignment has now been postponed twice after the defense asked the judge for more time to gather information and evidence.
All we want is justice.
Was there something of a red flag that occurred here?
Legal analyst Stephen Clark suspects the defense is building a case on their client's mental health.
They're going to reverse engineer this series of homicides and say that this was an impulsive act done by someone who was unhinged and mentally unstable.
Juarez says her uncle and aunt were outgoing and loved their grandsons.
We're broken into a million pieces, and this pain will never go away.
The family is hoping Killian will be found guilty and receive the maximum punishment. Now, Killian did not enter a plea today. His arraignment is postponed until August 30th. The DA's office declined our request for comment, Mike.
Just such a tragedy. Hey, Joey, are there plans right now for a memorial or even a funeral service for the victims?
Well, the family says the 5 bodies are still in Alameda County. They're planning to have them buried in El Salvador, where this family is from, but they don't know yet when that will happen, Mike.
Joey Horta, live tonight in the newsroom.